Okay, so I kept mine, so I'm just going to turn the key on. It's going to be my on and kill switch, and then these two wires will just go to a starter button. That's all I'm doing. So to do that, I got rid of all that. You can get rid of that 4-prong connector, the 9-prong connector. You just got to cut the wires. This little connector, all these brown and green wires. Okay, so all you're really trying to do is this plug that comes off the starting solenoid. It connects to a silver and green, or white and green wire, and a red and yellow wire. So those are the two main ones to start it. The green and white wire goes to a ground, and it just needs to ground out after the rectifier, or CDI. I forget which is which, but anyway, so I just grounded it to the green wire, which the solid green wire is connected to the dark green wire, which is ran to the battery. So that's grounded out. And then the red and yellow wire, it was cut off from the 9-prong connector. I just connected it right here to the green yellow wire. So my red yellow becomes green yellow, and then the only place it goes to now is up here. There it is. So when I turn the key on, this wire's black right here and green yellow. When I turn that key on, this black spade gets hot, and then this black wire goes up to this black wire right there, and so when I push the button, it connects power between the two, and that's my starter. For my accessories, I'm just gonna use the other side of this spade connector, just right there, and just ground it to the chassis. There's your spark plug. There's your battery ground, chassis. There's to the battery. There's your positive, and then there's all the wires to connect to the motor, and that's all you need.